Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 71 of the NEET PG important questions, and today we'll discuss the questions of the topic medial compartment of the thigh region. So first of all, which are the muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh? So they are gracilis, adductor longus, adductor brevis and the adductor magnus. Sometimes the obturator externus and the pectineus are considered and sometimes they are excluded because the obturator externus muscle has the same location but it is differing in the function, while the pectineus muscle is the same as the function of the middle compartment region but it differs in the nerve innervation. So they are sometimes included and sometimes they are excluded. What is the nerve supply of the muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh? All muscles are supplied by the obturator nerve except for the pectineus, which is supplied by the femoral nerve. Also remember, the adductor part of the adductor magnus is supplied by the obturator nerve, while the hamstring part of the adductor magnus is supplied by the sciatic nerve. What is the blood supply in the medial compartment of the thigh? So they are supplied by the obturator artery and the medial circumflex femoral artery. What are the action of the muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh? So they causes the adduction. So they all are adductors except for the obturator externus muscle, which actually causes the lateral rotation of the thigh. And the gracilis muscle also causes the flexion of the leg at the knee and also helps in the rotation of the leg medially along with adduction. Okay. Rader's bone, a sesamoid bone, may develop in the tendon of which muscle? Adductor longus, very important. Which muscle of the adductor compartment is not attached at the femur? So the gracilis muscle. What is the root value of the obturator nerve? Ventral division of L2, L3 and L4. Obturator externus muscle is pierced by which nerve? By the posterior division of the obturator nerve. Hip joint is supplied by which division of the obturator nerve? By the anterior division of the obturator nerve. And the knee joint is supplied by which division of the obturator nerve? So by the posterior division of the obturator nerve. What is the root value of the accessory obturator nerve? Root value are L3, L4 and the basically supplies the pectineus muscle and the hip joint. Obturator canal gives passage to which nerve or vessel? So they give passage to the obturator nerve and obturator artery. Which is the largest branch of the profunda femoris artery? So it is the lateral circumflex femoral artery. Which is the largest muscle of the adductor compartment of the thigh? So it is the adductor magnus. Which are the gyropes muscles? So there are three muscles, that is the sartorius, semitendinosus and the gracilis. Obturator artery is a branch from anterior division of the internal iliac artery. Name custodian of virginity is given to which muscle? So it is given to the gracilis muscle. Why? Because during the sexual assault, what actually happens is this particular gracilis muscle causes the strong adduction. Okay, at that time, this particular muscle is strongly active at that time, and so it causes the strong adduction. So that's why this particular muscle is known as custodian of virginity. Rader's muscle is the name given to which muscle? So it is given to the adductor muscles. Which nerve or vessel comes in the anterior relation of the pectineus in the femoral triangle? Femoral artery. Which artery is present in the gap between the pectineus and the adductor longus muscle? So it is the profunda femoris artery. Adductor longus muscle near its origin anteriorly is crossed by spermatic cord in males. What are the posterior relation of the adductor longus muscle? Profunda femoris artery, anterior branch of the obturator nerve and the adductor brevis muscle. So today up till here, we'll cover the further topics very soon. Thank you so much.